If you ever thought there must be a way to make companies run more efficiently, well, you'd be right. There's a huge need in the market for efficiency consulting. There's been a tremendous shift in business brought on by many factors, the biggest being digital transformation and the jump to implement AI. See, manual processes just won't cut it anymore. Slow and inefficient business processes are costing companies millions of dollars every year. And now, with the push towards AI, they're falling way behind. Let's take a look at this graph. We don't have time to cover what I'd like to share, but we can all agree that paper moving around an office is inefficient. I found 6 industries that still rely heavily on paper, with education alone producing 784 million pages daily. As an efficiency consultant, I can tell you this means their workflow processes are not delivering the expected results. Organizations lose 20 to 30% of revenue annually due to inefficiencies. So as you can see, they need you. They need a consultant like you to help. So come and learn the 4 pillars of efficiency consulting and tremendously increase your earning potential. So click the link below and register for our webinar,